What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Taina. It is good to see you. I was watching YouTube the other day and I came across Jade Kendle Lipstick and Curls video on how she refreshes her curls, and I saw that she used a one-step process using only mousse, and it just blew my mind because I'm like, what? Say what? Mousse? Okay. So if you've watched my channel, you know that I have done a curl refresh video before. Normally I will go in and spray my hair with, my misting water. I'll detangle it and then I'll top on some Mix Chicks leave-in conditioner and then diffuse it, and then boom, my hair is refreshed. But she blew my mind because what she does is she takes a mousse and she just puts it right through her hair, detangles it, diffuses it, and that is it. A one-step curl refresh process. So when I saw her do that, I said, you know what, I definitely need to check this out, because I'm gonna be honest, the last time I used mousse in my hair was probably when I was in middle school or high school, just kind of really learning about how to manage my curls. I never used a gel, I never used a cream, I stuck with straight up mousse, okay? So I actually recently picked up a new mousse product because I wanted to feature it in a perfect curl video, which is where I do test out different stylers to see what the results are with my fine curly hair. So I had already picked up a mousse, then I had seen this girl's video, and I was like, this is the perfect time for me to test it out. So today we're going to be testing out the OGX Locking and Coconut Curls. Locking and coconut curl. Locking plus coconut curls. Decadent creamy mousse. It says with coconut oil and shea butter, this creamy hydrating mousse is part foam and part cream. Defrizz and define for total goddess curls. So like I said, I used to rock mousse back in the day and I stopped using it because it was so drying. There was a lot of alcohol in the mousses that I was using, and the mousse, because mousses is not a word. The mousse that I was using, and so I like the more creamy stuff. So I picked this up because of the claim that it is, cream and a mousse, and I thought that would be really hydrating, and I think this would be perfect for this one-step process, because I'm a little concerned that I'm not going to have enough slip and cream to detangle my hair, even though my hair is not like really knotty. It has been up in this bun for, I would say, about 4 days now, so it is what it is. But yeah, it says enhance curls with this creamy blend that holds and hydrates curls. Perfect. So let's get started. I'm gonna just take my hair out, and this is what it is looking like. Okay, so it's not too bad. It's just kind of been in a bun. So you guys can see when my hair gets stretched out, like I lose all of my curl. Like where my curls at. So I'm gonna shake this up. Ooh, and I got this for Walgreens. I will list the price and the ounces here so you can see that. Ooh, this is like fancy. It's a nice big bottle. This packaging is beautiful. Like, look at how gorgeous this is. And I don't know what we have going on here. What? Okay, it says hold can upside down and dispense into palm. I'm like, how do I use this? Wow. Okay. I'm gonna need all of this. It smells amazing. Y'all. Yes. Oh. Ooh, this feels great. Okay. This is all over the floor right now. Ooh, I'm like dropping this everywhere. Okay, I should have been more prepared, y'all. Okay, so it definitely smells amazing. It smells like vacation. It smells like coconut oil and suntan and lotion and cream. Ooh. So it does provide, like, I feel like it's really moisturized, but I feel like it's has nice slip with it as well. I can see how they say it holds. Like, look at this hold. Look at that. That is nice. And it's a flexible hold. And the beauty of this refresh is that because you're not dampening your hair a ton, when you go to diffuse it, it's supposed to make it even quicker because it is like damp, but not really wet right now. You definitely have to shake the can because if you don't, then the cream part kind of just settles on top. I think I'm using too much. Like, what do y'all think? Oh my gosh. This is everything. This is what we are looking like refreshed. Now I can already tell you I put way too much on, and that was my fault only because I'm not used to this texture of product at all, and a lot does kind of foam out at once, so it's a little bit hard to control how much you get out. But I feel like, oh yeah, my hair is gonna be like, I don't know. I'm really curious to see what's gonna happen after diffusing. It feels moisturizing. It smells absolutely amazing. It smells like the beach and coconuts and vacation and margaritas. It smells amazing, but it feels a little sticky dry, and I think it's because I put too much product. But again, that is not the fault of the product. So let's see what we look like. It's almost dry. I think my hair is probably about 80% dry right now. So let me go ahead and diffuse and I will be right back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. Wow, y'all. Like, I haven't even picked it. I don't even think I need to pick my hair. What? Hold up. I just need to go through with a pick. I don't have my pick here with me. So I just need to go through with a pick to kind of shape it all. But I like how my hair feels. There definitely is hold. I'm really curious to see how this would work on my hair, just not as a refresher as well, because I'm really loving the hold. I'm really loving the definition it's giving me. I will say that when I was scrunching out the excess product, I did see a lot of flakes like falling out. So I'm a little concerned with maybe some flakiness, but I don't see anything on my hair. Y'all, was this like, I just did my hair in like 10 minutes. Like, I know it took a little bit longer because I was, you know, trying to show you guys and stuff, but if I was just doing this in my bathroom by myself, my hair would be like from craziness to this, like within minutes. Like, I'm game changer. Now this stuff is amazing. This really is a Decadent creamy mousse. Like, this has a level 3 hold, which I think is perfect, so that's right in the middle. It feels very creamy. Okay, now there's residue on my hand and it's kind of peeling up. So remember I was talking about the flakes? It had like some weird like film or something here. So I don't really like that, but I don't see anything on my hair. So I mean, that's okay. We'll just let it ride because I don't see anything quite on my hair. But I think this is beautiful. Like, hands down, I am loving this. Ooh, okay. So far, I really love it. It does everything that it claims to do. And shout out to Lipstick and Curls for giving me this tip and showing us how she refreshes her curls, because this is like a game changer for me. I never thought to do it this way, and I'm glad that I tried it. And so if you're gonna try it, or if you have been doing this, let me know down below how it's worked for you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. As always, tune in to any other video that tickles your fancy, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.